Do you want to know how you can log into your Retexter.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Retexter.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Retexter.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Retexter.ai. Go ahead and write down your email address, your password, and then click continue. This way you can successfully log into your Retexter.ai account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this eye icon over here in password, and if in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link, write down your email address here, click reset password, and then Retexter.ai will send you a mail. Go ahead and click on the link and you can recover your password quickly. And if you don't have an account yet and want to create one, go ahead and click sign up and you can create a Retexter.ai account now. I hope this video about how you can log into your Retexter.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.